Good afternoon, my name is Matt Explains, and I will be doing the ecology population experiment. For this experiment, I have, of course, my container, so my shoebox, I have my beans or beads. In this case, I have beans, and I have the marker that I will be using to mark the animals slash beads with. So in step one, it says to grab 4 to 6 handfuls, so I will do that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, that would be 5 for good measure. So there's 5 beads, and then it says to estimate how many beads are in the box. And in my opinion, it looks quite a bit of beads. I'm not sure if you can see. I'd say close to probably, I'd say 200. So 200 total beads. And so the next step is to recapture them. So by that, I'm going to pick a handful of the beads, and out of random probability, I'll give it a little shake even though it doesn't matter. I'm gonna pick the beads. So now I have a handful of beads in my hand, and now I will mark them. And I dropped one. Sorry, I'll grab it back up. So I will mark them and also count them. So let me do that real quick. So I just now finished marking and counting all of the beads, and I marked them with this blue marker, and after counting, I have counted a total of 103 beads, which at the moment I severely underestimate how many beads there were. And so I think I may be a little bit off on my first total estimate. But so there's 103 total beads. I can't lose that one. So I'm now releasing them back into the box, and I will get ready for the second experiment. The next step is to shake the box and grab another handful, and then recount them again, which I would do. I should have just scraped them. So now shake the box, put them all to an end, grab another handful, put them down, and now I'll recount them. And actually, there's not that many, so I'm gonna recount them real quick. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So there's a total of 51 from the ones marked and ones unmarked, and so there's a total of 51. Now I would count the number of ones marked, so therefore there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So there's a total of 21 beads from the whole number of beads that are marked. So write that down. So there's 21. Okay, so now I will just simply use the equation to solve it. So now I will use the equation, which is n over m equals lowercase n over m, to find the big N, which is the population estimate. So I will mark letter N over M, and M is it is the first handful I grabbed, which is 103, equal sign little n over in the top right corner, which is the number of animals captured in the second sample, which the total is 51, over the m, which is the number of colored marked beans in the out of the total sample of the second grabbing. And so I will just cross multiply and divide, which n therefore equals So N equals roughly 250 almost on the dot. Technically 250.14, but 250. After counting all of the beads in total in the whole box, the final number of beads was actually 563 total beads. So my estimate was pretty far off from just plainly looking at it. But after counting, I got 563 total beads. So now I have finished the whole lab and the math parts going with it. So I will now proceed to do the questions 9 through 12 off camera, and then type them into the Google Doc or / the worksheet. So I just want to say thank you for watching my experiment on ecology, and I will see you next time, sir.